guys, today we're gonna be fixing a screen for your window screen. If you have any holes in your screen, like this one, you can fix this one. Guys, so this screen we're gonna be replacing. As you can see, it's all scratched up, and I'm gonna show you guys how to take it out. All you're gonna do is start at the top. Just push this piece over far enough that you can get it out. All the way down to the bottom, there are gonna be two latches right on the side over here. Another one on this other side. I'm on the inside now, and what you're gonna do is just go ahead and open the window. It's right here. All you're gonna do is push this back. Push this right here back to it. And now it's right in here. So all I'm gonna do is grab it, take it right out, and it has two hinges on the side here. You can see. Alright, so what I do is I normally lay it down on the ground. You can either put it on a table if you have a table, but I'm gonna just put mine on the ground. And what you're gonna do is just start from the corners. You're gonna just start from the corners here. Use something to pry it up, like a small screwdriver. You're gonna start at one corner. Just take the rubber, some rubber holding this down, the screen down. And you're gonna go ahead and pick the two parts up. Take the rubber all the way out, and then after that you can just take the screen off. Alright, so now you have your screen all the way off. What you're gonna do is just get your screen. Just make sure it's the same size and make sure it's overlapping by at least you can overlap by how much you want, either an inch or half an inch. I'm just trying to make two. I'm gonna have to do another one, so that's why I have to cut this kind of in half. So all you're gonna need is actually your tool tool to squeeze the spline in. As you can see, this side squeezes the spline in. I'm using some spline that is 0.1225 inches. You can start from one corner and go all the way to the next corner and end up at the same corner that you started at. I'm just gonna go ahead and start from the top, and then I'm gonna do the bottom, and then I do the sides. Get your spline up just like this. You're just gonna get your tip of the spline, and you're gonna make sure you use the edge that has the grooves for the spline. Make sure it's a good distance away from. Make sure it's straight too. I'm gonna put this all the way in the corner. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze down this corner. And what I'm gonna do is just start. You're just gonna use your tool. The tool makes it so much easier. I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that gets in there. And you're gonna go all the way down. Once you reach all the way down to the edge, you're gonna go ahead and cut the spline off. Alright guys, then just go all the way to your other end. Start rolling. Make sure you're squeezing it down all the way. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to start from this corner, finish it off. Make sure you push that down in there. Take your time. Make sure the screen's in. Now keep on making your way down. Just be careful. Just follow it around. Make sure it's tight and start back on to the groove. Then you're gonna go ahead and just push this down. I'm gonna keep on making your way down. Way down to the corner. Go ahead, get your tool again. Right in the corner. And I'm gonna press it. Make sure you have a good seal. And as you can see, you basically have the whole screen on now. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go down. I'm gonna go down and start at the edge. See right on top of this edge right here. I'm gonna go down and just start cutting with my blade. What I do is I just kind of do it this way. You can do it the other way if you like, but I like doing this way because it's kind of easier. So you're just gonna work your way down. Just make your way down to the corner. The other corner, it is basically done. And as you can see, pretty much finished, and the screen's in. So we're gonna go ahead and install this. For the corner, just if you want to make sure the corners are down, just go ahead and use a tool like this and just make sure you use that and just go ahead and press it down. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and just put the screen back in, and you're gonna make sure that those spring hinges are on the right hand side when you install it. And all you're gonna do is pry it back up to the top first. Make sure that, so we're gonna start by put in the bottom right corner inside. What you want to do is make sure that the top corner inside, make sure that latch is sticking out, as you can see over here, sticking out, and then you're gonna make sure your hinges all spring back inside. You're gonna go ahead and push it and get this top left corner in first. And then now you're gonna come back to the bottom left corner, and you're gonna start up here. Start from here, work your way down. Keep pushing until you get down here. Just make sure your springs are there and make sure the latch inside there is working. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. As you can see, we were able to replace the screen. No more holes. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my video and please like the video. I really appreciate it if you guys did. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.